Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer Kekawag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985, and this is part 1. So in part 1 we will going to cover history, objectives and definitions related to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. History. The statutory control over narcotic drugs was being exercised under the Opium Act 1857, the Opium Act 1878, and the Dangerous Drug Act 1930. India had no legislation regarding narcotic until 1985. Cannabis smoking in India has been known since at least 2000 BC and is first mentioned in the Atharva Veda, which dates back a few hundred years BC. Objectives of the Act: to consolidate and amend the existing law relating to narcotic drugs, to have made stringent provision for control and regulation of operations relating to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, to considerably enhance penalties particularly for trafficking offences, to make provisions for implementation of international convention relating to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances to which India is a party. Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. This act contains the 4 chapters. Chapter 1 contains preliminary or definitions. Chapter 2 contains authorities and officers. Chapter 3 contains prohibition, control and regulation. Chapter 4 contains offences and penalty. This is the framework of total act. Definitions. Cannabis. Cannabis or hemp means charas, that is the separated resin in whatever form, whether crude or purified, obtained from the cannabis plant, and also include concentrated preparation and resin known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Ganja, that is the flowering or fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, excluding the seeds and leaves when not accompanied by the tops, by whatever name they may be known or designated, and any mixture with or without any neutral material of any of the above forms of cannabis or and drink prepared therefrom. Coca derivatives. Crude cocaine, that is any extract of coca leaf which can be used directly or indirectly for the manufacture of cocaine. Icogonine and all derivatives of icogonine from which it can be recovered. Cocaine, that is methyl esters of benzyl icogonine and its salt, and all preparation containing not more than 0.1% of the cocaine. Manufacture. In relation to narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances includes all processes other than production by which such drugs or substances may be obtained, refining or transformation of such drugs or substances, making or preparation otherwise than in a pharmacy on prescription with or containing such drugs or substances are called as manufacturing. Manufactured drug. Manufactured drug means all coca derivatives, medicinal cannabis, opium derivatives, and poppy straw concentrate. Any other narcotic substances or preparations which the central government may having regards to the available information as to its nature or to a decision, if any under any international convention, by notification in the official gazette, declared to be a manufactured drugs. Medicinal cannabis, that is medicinal hemp, means any extract or tincture of cannabis or hemp. Narcotic commissioner means the narcotic commissioner appointed under section 5 of this act. Narcotic drug means coca leaf, cannabis, opium, poppy straw, and includes all manufactured drugs included in this act. Opium, the coagulated juice of the opium poppy, and any mixture with or without any neutral material of the coagulated juice of the opium poppy, but does not include any preparation containing not more than 0.2% of morphine. Opium derivatives. Medicinal opium, prepared opium, phenanthrene alkaloids such as morphine, codeine, thebaine, and their salts, diacetyl morphine or heroin and its salts, all preparation containing more than 0.2% of the morphine or any amount of diacetyl morphine. Opium poppy, the plant of the species Papaver somniferum and the plant of any other species of papaver from which opium or any phenanthrene alkaloid can be extracted, and which the central government may, by the notification in the official gazette, declare to be poppy for the purpose of this act. Poppy straw means all the parts except the seeds of the opium poppy after harvesting, whether in this original form or cut, crushed, or powder, and whether or not juice has been extracted therefrom. Psychotropic substances means any substances, natural or synthetic, or any natural material, or any salt or preparation of such substances or material included in the list of psychotropic substances specified in the schedule of this Act. Controlled substance. Controlled substance means any substance which the central government may have in regard to the available information as to its possible use in the production or manufacture of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances, or to the provisions of any international convention by a notification in the official gazette declared to be a controlled substances. Thank you so much. Part 2 we will be cover in next video.